Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. If you're on the hunt for the latest displays that add style and cutting-edge tech to your workspace, you're reading the right blog. We've scoured the market and found some of the most futuristic displays and monitors that will make your colleagues and visitors green with envy. Made for professionals, the Sony ELPH SR2 spatial reality display offers 3D visualization that requires no smart glasses whatsoever. Boasting a larger 27 inches size than the previous version, this new generation 4K model provides a realistic experience. Requiring no VR headset, it also has an upgraded high-speed vision sensor as well as image quality enhancing technologies. What's more, it offers a flexible installation and supports a range of applications in development. Created for industrial design, surgical planning, and architecture, it also supports engineering, construction, signage, retail, software development, game developers, and even entertainment applications. Moreover, it boasts an immersive depth of field along with detailed resolution, and its high-speed vision sensors offer high-speed processing. This device also provides low latency, reduced motion blur, and reduced crosstalk. Finally, its 10-bit processing supports 100% Adobe RGB color gamut coverage. Turn your workspace easily into a gaming station with the Corsair Xenion Flex 45W QHD 240 OLED bendable gaming monitor. This 45 inches gadget has an adjustable design that makes it an uncommon find. In fact, it bends from a flat ultra-wide monitor to having a hyper-immersive 800R curve. So it's always the display you need it to be. Additionally, the monitor also boasts flicker-free imagery and technology that protects both the panel and your eyes. There's also a superb QWP polarizing matte non-reflective display to ensure a flawless image, so you can view it from any angle. To add to this, you will enjoy the low blue light technology. This will greatly reduce eye strain for hours of comfortable viewing. Ideal for gaming and working, this is a monitor to get. Improve how you feel after a day of work when you outfit your desk with the LG Ultra-Fine Display Ergo AI 32UC 890 monitor. This impressive workspace device actually adjusts its own position to provide you with ergonomic comfort all day long. Additionally, its built-in camera uses AI technology to analyze your posture throughout the day. In turn, it adjusts the screen height from 0 to 160 mm and tilt from 200 to 200. This works together to prevent poor posture. Not only that, but it also has 3 ergonomics enhancing modes. These are AI motion, continuous motion, and periodic motion. The former tracks your eye level and then adjusts its height and tilt whenever it notices a change. Furthermore, it has a 31.5 inches 4K IPS display with a resolution of 3840x2160 and 95% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Finally, it has HDR image reproduction. Work on multiple tasks at once with the Dell UltraSharp 43 4K USB-C hub monitor. This monitor can actually split into 4 screen partitions at once. In fact, it allows you to connect one PC to the monitor and split it into multiple screen partitions. Additionally, you also get the ability to connect up to 4 different PCs to the monitor. You can also view all 4 inputs and switch between them using KVM. A perfect workspace accessory, this USB-C hub monitor can be a great relief for anyone who wants to multitask without using too many screens at once. Coming to sustainability, these Dell UltraSharp monitors contain up to 85% post-consumer recycled plastics and up to 90% recycled aluminum. Enjoy loads of premium features along with brilliant brightness with the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 gaming monitor. This 34 inches display comes with an incredible 0.1 ms response time. Additionally, the OLED panel comes with quantum dot technology, delivering a minimal display. In fact, this gadget also packs an ultra-thin design and a metal frame which makes it look unique. Additionally, you'll be happy to know that the monitor has QHD resolution, a 3440x1440 resolution, a 21:9 aspect ratio, a 100% color volume, and DCI 99.3% color gamut. There's also the 1800R curvature for the perfect playing view. For accurate color and contrast reproduction, this device is also certified for VESA Display DR400 True Black. With or without the height adjustable stand, this monitor is great for streaming or gaming. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.